After finding out they were expecting their first child, Ryan and Ashley bought this 2,300 square foot fixer-upper.
With great ambitions, we had about 5 months before my son was due. Didn't even get close to getting done with everything.
I fell in love with the bones of it, and I still very much love the bones of this house.
Love the neighborhood, love the area, love how close we are to work. Do not like how much work is left to do at this house.
If we could fix the majority of the problems in the house, I'm sure Ryan would love this house.
But there's so many projects. Every room you go into, it's a different flooring.
We'll just call someone in and get the hardwoods replaced. Rip it up.
The master closet is awful. My dream closet is one that has everything where it needs to be. It's organized, and this closet will never have that.
It's an easy closet fix.
I hate the master bathroom. It's dark. It's not an inviting space at all. It's a room that I literally want to be in and out of as fast as I possibly can be.
Well, it's a bathroom, so that's probably a good thing.
I'm taking a shower. It's tiny. You have to, it's difficult to move around. We can't both get ready in the bathroom together. It just doesn't work. We're leaving. I'm done with this. I'm done doing projects. I want to enjoy time with my family and my son. We'll take the equity and we'll find a better house that's done.
I want to stay in the house. I have a lot of emotional ties to this home, and we have put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this home already.
Oh. Well, so far, it looks good.
Decent. There's a lot of flooring going on.
There is a bit.
What do we got here?
What we have is a very nice living room. He's painted it a really great color, and he's maintained the original fireplace.
It's a gas fireplace.
It's a good gas fireplace. Well, this is better. I mean, it's not dark and dingy anymore.
No.
I like this.
Are you gonna obviously fix this up?
It needs to be updated, obviously. It's
And
totally
right
doable.
next to probably the garage.
Yeah, I mean, what could be more fun than looking at a garage?
We can move on.
Oh, I love these rooms. I love rooms built into the eaves. I'm feeling really good about this.
I'm feeling good about moving on. We've been through your house.
There is space here to make this work so you can grow into this house. The key to all of this is to know exactly what you want from me.
There's a lot.
Well, go ahead and tell me.
Need you to renovate the media room/playroom, flooring throughout, create an organizational system for the master closet, update and enlarge the master bathroom, finish or update the mudroom, laundry room, open the small living space of the kitchen, create a screened-in deck, update hall bath, and fix the haunted house look to the outside of this house. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be done.
And how much money have you got for me to spend?
You have $70,000.
There is no way that $70,000 is going to get this to the house that would have cost you at least $100 and something thousand more in the first place. But it is enough for me to be able to make big changes in here so that it works for you.
What's the list of stuff you need to get out of here?
4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, a large, well-manicured lap, screened-in deck, move-in ready, large walk-in closet, a big kitchen with a large island, and close to work in the neighborhood.
All right, I've done an evaluation on your home. Current value is $280,000. What's the budget for the new house?
$380,000.
Hilary's team digs in and finishes the half-done demo of the main floor mudroom and powder room, as well as both upstairs bathrooms. And as the work kicks up at home, not far away, David knows he's found a headache-free house that needs no work at all.
Here you have a house that is done.
Yeah, I like that it's all brick.
You bought a project.
Yes,
we
we
did.
did.
This is not a project.
No.
Let's go see the house.
Let's go.
This house is 3,400 square feet of move-in ready space and features 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, including a master bath. Upping the family function are an open concept kitchen and family room combination, separate living and dining rooms, a bonus room, and a large yard, all while remaining inside their current neighborhood.
Ooh, staircase
Come
is right
on
there.
in.
It's got a good feel.
It's a good entrance. I like the floors.
They flow literally throughout the whole house.
They are beautiful.
What do you think this house is listed at?
I want to say 410.
What do you think?
I was gonna say 415.
This house is listed at 440.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Look, you wanted a done house in your neighborhood. That's what it costs.
Yeah.
Work carries on full steam ahead as the new shape of the master bathroom is framed up and both bathrooms get a modern update in both plumbing and electrical. And as things inch forward on the home front, several neighborhoods away, David is hoping his latest listing is a massive step forward for this couple.
Location? How do you guys feel about it?
I like the location. It's actually closer to work for me.
This is not terrible.
Let's go look at the house.
All right.
While this house may be well outside their neighborhood, it is 3,100 square feet of headache-free space that includes 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, including a master bath, ensuring daily ease are an open concept kitchen and family room combination, separate living and dining rooms, a bonus room, second floor laundry, and the highly coveted screened-in porch.
Come on in.
Oh, it's nice.
I love the floors.
Zero carpet in this house. Formal living room. Screened-in porch.
It's a nice size.
We don't have it, so this is fantastic.
It's a small yard and it's on a busy road.
Yes.
Because it's really close to the house.
Yeah.
It's also close to your work. Don't
It
forget.
is close to work. Man, it is a tiny yard.
What do you think overall? Property, location, house?
If we could take this house and put it into a larger lot, I think that this would be a huge contender.
What do you think this house is listed at?
I would guess 375,000.
What do you think?
I was gonna say 365.
This house is listed at $375,000, just below the top end of your budget.
Hilary's team gets all 3 bathrooms into stunning shape, while Hilary and her crew usher in the final details that will warm up the once frozen bonus room.
There's an ottoman somewhere. Eric, do you have the ottoman?
Yeah, I'm on my way. All right, Hilary, where you want this?
Why don't you put it right there?
Right there?
Please. We're making it look really inviting, and we're making it look like a family gathering place or a place for their friends.
Yeah.
But the reality is all they have to do is move a couple of things and have the kids playing on the rug. It's going to be fantastic.
Adult space, but also a kid space.
Oh, yeah. She's going to love this, I think.
Not far away, a last-minute listing may give David the affordable move-in-ready edge he's been hunting for. At 3,300 square feet of move-in-ready space, this house is built for family and features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, including a master bathroom. Adding to the everyday function are an eat-in kitchen, a spacious family room, separate living and dining rooms, second-floor laundry, a large bonus room, and a screened-in porch overlooking a spacious yard, all within a mile of their current house.
I love the paint color in here.
Yeah, I do
I think
too.
it looks really nice.
I actually think we have this paint color at our house.
Feel homey when we move here.
Heading right this way. This is the formal living room area.
It's a good-sized space.
I like it.
So could I. Let's keep going. The dining room.
I like it.
And it's beautiful.
Great size space.
I agree.
And a lot better than what we have right now.
It does have a lot more natural light.
Came out of your mouth. There was no sarcasm. There was no nothing.
That felt real.
It did feel real. And then you've got the backyard.
We're not getting this at all. I love this. I think it's absolutely fantastic. I don't think there's any projects that need to be done. It fits the neighborhood.
What do you think this house is listed at?
375.
What do you think?
I'm thinking 410.
This house is listed at $398.
Ah,
Over budget.
it is over budget, but it's done. And we're gonna spend a lot more money to get our house done.
Yes, you are.
Man, this is gonna be tough to beat.
Now that Hilary's hard work is complete, both inside and out,
How are you?
Okay, you've got about 6 more steps before you see... Ta-da!
Wow.
Oh my God, it looks so
Wow, that
good.
looks absolutely fantastic.
I love the door.
The color, the yard. We have green grass.
Yeah.
I'm kind of happy somebody argued with you about that.
All right, good start.
Good start.
Now let's go. First thing,
Wow.
Ooh, I love
look at the floors.
Oh my God. Ooh, it's amazing.
These are fantastic.
Does that make a huge difference?
Yeah,
Huge
it
difference.
really does.
Running all the way through. So let's keep going.
Oh my God.
Wow.
It looks so
Holy cow.
good.
Storage everywhere.
Oh my gosh. Love the floor continued. That just
That
really
was
makes-
essential.
It's huge.
Yeah.
So you now get the full flow of these
this
rooms
is
together
so
because this
nice.
is the powder room
Yeah.
that your guests are going to
Oh, yeah.
use. Yeah, go take a look.
I love it. Fabulous.
This is fantastic.
I love it. Look at
It
this.
feels
That's
huge
beautiful.
in here.
That's beautiful.
Great.
It's awesome.
Wow.
It's like a real grown-up room, babe.
Wow.
Little places to sit, storage wherever we can find it.
Yeah.
But the main thing is it's completely pulled together and it's a really nice space.
It's a beautiful space.
So now, why don't you go take a look at your new closet?
So organized. My
Wow.
shoes. It's amazing.
So far, so good.
So far, so
Yes,
good.
I would say.
Excellent.
Wow. This is amazing.
It looks great.
Ash, look at this shower.
Woo!
Look at this thing.
Well done, Hilary.
Okay. Go in your guest bathroom.
Oh, wow.
Holy cow.
This is beautiful.
So you've got this fantastic soaker tub.
Yeah.
Yes,
You've got the beautiful shower head and a hand shower.
that's great.
All right, we're moving on.
All right.
Oh my gosh, Ryan.
Holy cow.
Wow.
Everything is upgraded.
This is fantastic. It feels huge.
So how are you guys doing?
I'm doing
Good.
great. She did a great job.
We're excited.
She did a great job. Time to decide. Now, before you make your decision, I have one more piece of information to show you. That is now the current value of your home with the renovation that has been done.
That's a good number.
That's a fantastic number.
The pre-renovation value of their home was $280,000. With a renovation budget of $70,000, the new estimated value of their home is $365,000. That increases the value of their house by $85,000.
It makes the move pretty easy.
It makes it very easy.
Okay, so decision made?
Decision made.
I think so.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
I think we've decided that it's best for us and our family to list it.
Yes! Fantastic! Sorry, was that too much? Did I almost hit you?
A little bit.
I apologize. Fantastic!
You know, it doesn't happen often, so that's okay. Have your moment, have your moment.
We
All right.
actually, you made so much value into this house that it's hard to pass that up, to be completely
did
honest
too
with you.
good.
You did too good of a job.
You did too
You did
much?
too.
Listen, you know what? The main thing is you're in a house that you know you can stay and grow your family, and I'm delighted that I helped you get there, so.
Thank you.
Thank you.